welcome back to the series of lectures of mathematics. In today's video lesson, I am going to discuss with you exercise 10.2 solutions of surface areas and volumes chapter. While we were dealing this chapter of class 9 since 4-5 video lessons, those who have not watched those video lessons, just go to the channel playlist wherein you'll find all the lessons. Whichever you want to observe, just click on that particular video lesson. Now, the immediate previous video lesson of this 10.2 exercise, the previous problem, still 7th problem I have dealt, just click on the iCard, you will be notified. Now we will continue from the 8th problem. I'll read out for you. The 8th problem, the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meters. It is 10 meters deep. Find its inner curved surface area and the cost of plastering this curved surface area at a rate of rupees 40 per square meter. Now, given the inner diameter of a well. So, let's draw the diagram here. So, since given inner and outer, so we have to draw both, isn't it? So, the inner diameter given as, how much it is given as 3.5 meters. So, D is 3.5 meters of this well. This is the well, okay. And from here, we can write 3.5 by 2 is the radius. Now, and the height, that means how much deep it is. That means it calculates the height. So, the height is 10 meters given. Right. H is 10 meters. All are given in meters. Right. And we have to find the inner curved surface area. This is the 8th problem. The first one is the inner curved surface area, right? CSA, curved surface area. Now, the formula for the curved surface area of cylinder. Here, the cylindrical shape is nothing but the well, okay? So, that I am writing it as cylindrical well, okay? So, that is 2 pi RH. So, we will directly substitute 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 3.5 by 2. Because the inner radius is given or inner diameter is given. So, radius is 3.5 by 2 multiplied by 2 pi R H. H is 10 meters. So, we can cancel off here. This is 7 ones, 7 fives, 0.5s, 2 ones, 2 fives. So, if you do 44, 22 into 2 and 5 by 10, we can take 5 ones, 5 twos. 5 by 2 is 3. So, this we can write it as 5 by 10 into 5. So, 5 ones, 5 twos. So, again 2 ones, 2 22s. 22 into 5 is 110. So, this much in meters. So, that is this much square meters is the first part. That is the inner curved surface area. We need to calculate again the cost of plastering this. With cement, the cost of plastering is for 1 meter square is given as rupees, I think rupees 40. Yes, 40 per meter square. So, we have to plaster the inner curved surface area. So, that is, we got it as 110 meter square. So, how many rupees? So, this comes to 110 into 40. This is clearly 4,400 and this much rupees, 4,400 rupees, right? So, the cost of plastering is 4,400 rupees. Pause the video and note it down. Let's see the next one. The 9th problem, find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank whose diameter is 4.2 meters and height is 4.5 meters. And also asked us the second part is how much steel sheet was actually used if 1/12 of the sheet was wasted in making the tank. Here asked the total surface area of a petrol storage tank. So, the total surface area, it is made up of steel, it seems. So, that diameter is given and the height is given. And while making that petrol tank, 1/12 of that whole total surface area is been wasted in the cutting process. So, that we have to see wasted in making. How much steel was used Now total steel was used. How much total steel was used? We have to calculate. First we will calculate. The first one is the total surface area. Given the total surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank. Okay. So let us draw petrol storage tank here. And the diameter given as 4.5 height and 4.2. Diameter is 4.2 meters and the height is 4.5 meters. So this is the storage tank. Petrol storage tank. Cylindrical in shape, which is closed. Right. And we have to find the total surface area. So let us find the first part, that is the total surface area of cylindrical tank. Storage tank will write. So the formula for this is 2 pi r plus h. Right, this is the TSA of a cylinder. Now here 2 into 22 by 7 into r is half of this, that is 2.1 meters. 4.2 by 2. So into 2.1, here again 2.1 plus h is 4.5. So all are in meters. We have to bring it into one measurement. If it is in centimeters, we have to change it into meters. Here it comes to 7.3 times. So this is 44 into 0.3 and this is also multiplication. So 4.5 plus, so 6.6. Okay, so we will do here in the rough part 44 3 times 132, here 132 again into 66. Later on we will keep the decimal points. 18, 19, 6, 1, 6, 7, so 297. So 2 here, 17, 8, 8, 7, 1, 2. Here 2 digits, so from back 2 digits. So 87.12 is the total surface area, that is in square meters. This is the total surface area. Now the second part asked is how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel is cut. So first we have to, the steel cut, steel wasted. Okay, the steel wasted is 1/12 of this total TSA. Okay, so that means 1/12 into 87.12. Right, let us cancel it here. So first we will calculate 1/12 part which is wasted, then we will add it to the actual one. So the total we want. Okay, so here if you see with the 15, 16, 17, 18, here it goes with 3 table, 3 4s, 3 2s are 6, 2 here, 3 9s, 27.34. Right, again we can cancel it off with 2 twice, 2 1s, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s 10, 2 2s are again 2 1s, 2 7.2 2s are 4, here 2 6. So that is, here we get it as 7.26. Right, cancel it with 2 1s. So 2 7s, 14.22 is 4. Yes, 1 will come here, 7.26 is the 1/12 part. This is the wasted steel. Wasted steel. Okay. So here the question asks, we should read how much steel was actually used. So actually used here, this is the wasted part. So we have to add it to this. So let us add 87.12 and 7.26. So we will add. So this comes to 38. So 94. Therefore 94.38 square meters of steel is actually used. Okay, pause it and note it down. The 10th one, a one side open cylindrical drum has inner radius of 28 centimeters and the height of 2.1 meters. How much water you can store in the drum and express in liters? 1 liter is 1000 cubic cc. Okay. So here given radius of a drum as 28 centimeters. Here we should be very cautious here. Few terms are given in centimeters and few measurements in meters. So we have to bring it into one calculations, right? So this is a tank. This is a drum, cylindrical drum, having a radius of given as 28 centimeters and the height, that is the height of the drum, is 2.1 meters. So we will bring it into meters only. See here, this is in meters. If we write 0.28 meters, because we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 28 centimeters is 0.28 meters. So this is in meters, this is in meters. We will find now the volume, how much water it will store. Okay, so we will find the volume of cylindrical drum. Okay, the drum is in the shape of cylinder. So volume formula is pi r square h. So that is 22 by 7 into r is in meters 0.28. Again 0.28 because square into h is 2.1. So if you cancel it off with this 0.3, 7 threes. So this, if you multiply 0.28 into 0.28 into 0.3. Do the calculations in the rough part. You will get around 0.51744. I suppose. Yes, 44. This is in meters, square meters. Okay. No, so this is the volume. Sorry, this is in cubic meters. Volume is measured in cubic units. Okay, so this much you get if you multiply all this, do the calculations there. Then, but here asked us to express this water, the volume of the cylindrical, how much water it stores in liters. So we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc, isn't it? So we have 0.51744 cc. Yes. So how many liters? So just we can divide it 1000. If you divide with 1000, that means we can place the point here. So this many liters of water it stores. Drum stores. Okay. So with this we end the class. We have completed this exercise. We will look forward with another exercise in our next session. Thank you all.